Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to For All Seasons. I'm Andrew Sim, Music Director and Resident Conductor of the Kyaukpek String Orchestra. The piece that you just heard was incidental music by the Baroque English composer Henry Purcell. He composed it for a play named Abdelazar, but today it is perhaps more famously known as the theme from A Young Person's Guide to the Orchestra by 20th century composer Benjamin Britten. Britten drew influence from the Baroque period and reshaped it in a modern way. And tonight we are following in his footsteps. After each of Vivaldi's 4 seasons, we will be performing, in our own interpretation, the same season through the lens of a 20th century composer. Now, without further ado, please join us on our journey from the Baroque to the modern with our first soloist, Chung An Chi.